Good day, bearded adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the apprentice, and today I will be telling you the right way to smell your beard oil.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Welcome back, everybody, to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice. Today we are going to be talking about the right way to smell beard oil. Now, here's the thing. The reason why we bring this up is because there's a lot of you that have the tendency of just opening up the bottle, you smell straight from the dropper, and that's it. And you're like, I've decided I don't like it. It's not the right smell for me. It just smells too bad. Not my thing. Well, you know what? Hate to break it to you, but that's not the right way you're supposed to be smelling your beard oil. There is a very particular way to do this, and you have to actually rub it in your hands, put it in your beard. Here at Fable, when we are making, we go through a process to make sure that everything is properly smelling, or smelling properly. So there are some times that we will put together our beard oils. We'll even put together a balm or two, and we'll check. We'll go through a sniffing check and be like, this isn't strong enough, or this isn't quite the right mixture. And then if we need to, we'll even, for some of the ones with the batches, we'll run it through our hands. Some of us will even put it in our beards, and we'll be like, yep, this is smelling good. You can't just smell it from the bottle. Now, in my pouch here, I've got one of our seasonal profiles, one that I'm sure many people love. This is the Lover. This is a great one because it is a strong smell, but in my opinion, especially when I first started using it, it was straight from the bottle. I did not like the smell. It wasn't until I was actually putting it in my beard that I liked it. So I'm gonna walk you guys through this simple process of what you're supposed to do. So here's what you're not supposed to do. Oh, look, I got my new bottle. I'm very excited to use it. You open it up, you take off the wrapping, you open this, and you just go, okay. Yeah, that's okay. Or what we don't want is, no, don't like it. Here, throwing it away, selling it to somebody else, not even giving your beard a chance to have the effects of it, but also for anybody around you to smell it. For you to smell it in its proper fashion. So what you need to do, you go ahead, get a dropper full of this. I'm gonna have to put this down real quick, so give me a moment. And I'm back. You take a look at this, you're gonna have your dropper and putting it into your hand. You got your dropper full there. I'll be back again. And go ahead and rub it into your hand, into your hands. See, now that you actually have it broken down and it's spread out, it is in the position of doing what it's supposed to do. Give it a, that is a, wow, okay. Okay, I know I'm the one making the video, but that is a different smell right there just from the bottle. And then run it through your beard. Get it in there. Try to get it into the skin. That's where it's supposed to be. Many of you probably didn't expect to see this in a video today for Fable, but get it into your beard. Get it. I'm not going to do it perfectly because I'm filming a video, but once you get it into every, nook and cranny that you're supposed to, into the hair, but mostly into the skin, give it some time. After a while, you're gonna start to notice that the smell is different. The smell might not be as strong. That might be one of your complaints. They're like, oh, this is way too strong of a smell because it's located right in the bottle. Spread it out, put it in. Once everything is in its proper place, the smell will not just dissipate, but also the proper scent is actually going to be activated, isn't the right word, but you know what? The spell will be cast, not just for you, but for anybody else who's going to smell your beard. I can already tell. I'm going to walk out these doors, and anybody around me is going to smell this and be like, oh, wow, that person has a great smelling beard. It must be the apprentice of Fable Beard Company. So, what is most important for you to understand? Don't just smell it from the bottle. Don't just open it up. Smell it, oh, well, that's my decision and I'm throwing it away, or I don't want to keep it anymore. This is like a fine wine. For those of you who enjoy wine and other beverages like that, you need to actually smell it. Let it rest, let it breathe. Putting it in your beard will help letting it breathe. If you just give it one smell from the bottle and that's it, well then you're not, the only thing that you're hurting is yourself and the bottle. Don't hurt the bottles here. These characters mean a lot to us at Fable, and also we hope that they mean a lot to you. So do not forget that the next time you go to make your purchase here at Fable Beard Company, put in the discount code The Apprentice or YT25 to get 25% off your next purchase. We thank you all so much for watching this video. Please give us a like. Go ahead, comment down below. You know, did you have to re-smell a product and put it in your hands, rub it in your beard for you to actually appreciate the smell to it? Because there is a right way to do this. Comment down below what your journey is regarding the proper way of smelling a good character profile. But also, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and toll the bell. That way you will get any notifications anytime we do post a video or any further content. So we really appreciate the community here and all the support that you guys give. So as we always say here at Fable, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune and knowledge forever at your door. Bye, everybody.